Hello guys, this is Lubem Johnson once again, and today I'm back in another video tutorial guys. Today we also got a CUB racer build guys. This is a Honda CG125 guys. I got this thing from a customer to build a CUB racer. So guys, today this is how the bike is. It's a scrap bike. So today I'm gonna customize this bike to become a CUB racer guys. So this is how the bike is right now. But by the end of this video, what you're gonna be seeing is gonna be a brand new CUB racer guys. So if you're interested in stuff like this, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, so they're gonna be getting amazing videos like this when I drop my new videos guys. So without further ado, let's kick into the video guys. Okay guys, today I just cut off this exhaust because the exhaust goes like that. That's gonna lose the shape of the bike, so I'm gonna redesign this exhaust my own way guys. And guys, I bought this from the scrap. This is a thick pan. I want to use that to do a seat, and I buy those also from the scrap. I want to do the headlight guard from the bike and the front mount guard. I want to customize it with that and the pan. So that's what we're gonna do right now guys. And boom guys, I have designed this pan into the seat. So right now I'm gonna feed that foam so they're gonna match this place. Okay guys, let's do this guys. I'm doing all the foam. And guys, today I got the power torch welding machine inverter. I'm not gonna use in the home make anymore. As you can see, it looks pretty good guys. So look at this guys. So this is gonna look pretty good guys. So today we're gonna start using this power torch welding machine, 300 mm. It's good guys. I'm gonna use this thing to do the dashboard for the bike. So that's what we're gonna do, and this is it guys. I'm doing the dashboard right now, as you can see. Okay guys, and today I got this thing done. Guys, take a look at this bike. Today I got this thing done and it's pretty good. The bike is clean, and this bike comes with many features, guys. The bike got the cardinal direction right there. You also got the USB port. Guys, take a look at this. You can charge your phone, power banks, batteries. You can charge it right there, guys. And it got many features. This one is headlights, and this one is a speed mode, guys. You can turn this button on like this, and the bike gonna pretty go fast, guys. Guys, take a look at this. You turn this button and the bike is gonna go pretty fast. And he also has a electric starter. Yeah. Take a look at. Take a look at that. That's the bike, guys. Kindly hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that you're gonna be notified anytime I drop my next video, guys. In this channel, this is what we do, guys. So subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. So we're gonna be doing this together, guys. Okay, finally I got this thing done today, guys. And this is the customer that bring this bike for me. And today I'm done. He's about to take off. So, bro, how do you see this bike? I've seen it like this, brother.
This bike, before I came here, man, I saw it and I've done it now. You understand?
Yes.
My bike in happiness because I saw it. It's very, very sweet. As it was, man. I did not see the same way. But like different things that I've done. Like, man, I'm just happy for you. Taking him home now for this month.
Yes. So you just feel like you are riding a power bike now. Bro, don't worry, brother.